There's got to be a specific thing in here that authorizes them how to operate these machines. You mean Nogatia, Speaker? Mr. Speaker, the point being, this bill authorizes the use of lethal force within our boundaries. And that's not a matter that should be taken lightly, whether by the defense minister or the police minister. It authorizes lethal force in the country. Surely, all got a member of parliament, all need law. He got one blood neck inside law displa. Toko right long use him lethal force law country blowing in how that force is supposed to be used. And that's not clearly defined here. It gives them huge latitude as to how they want to use these powers. And I think every member of parliament should be concerned about it. Yes, I want to see the terrorists taken down, especially these warlords that are targeting young women and girls. I've spoken on the floor about that, but I want to see you all do a good job of it. Don't bring in a half-baked law that is all over the place. Now suppose you may pass him. My goodness, we don't even know if the police have the ability to operate this law. Law province Blomi. Police arrested 890 people and charged them, putting on karabus in the last 6 months. I had a good member for Wabek say, not one single person has been arrested in his province. How is that possible? How is that possible? And you are bringing a law where I think should target people in his province, operators in his province. What gives the police special ability to make the arrest that they can't do now? What in this law gives them that ability? What special tools? Nothing. And you remember passing law tasona, you may remember but feel good or say, yes, we've passed another law. But then we are going to wait and then we are going to complain again 6 months later that nothing is happening. I don't think that's good enough. So respectfully, Mr. Deputy Speaker, me request of them, Minister, withdrawing this bill, go back now. Do some work on it and give us some background as to why it is you want to do things like this. Don't just bring the law. Give us the background to it. And then come and ask for the leaders of Papua New Guinea to give you the authorization so you can operate with the lethal force you need to bring safety and security to our vulnerable communities. But before that, you need to make some amendments to this bill, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Thank you.